question of what is the relevance of the subject in my life. Now, why are you asking me to study Vedanta now? For what, sir? Now, we do see in the world that people go for two things at the physical level. At the physical plane, there are two aspects are there. One is a gymnasium, another one is a hospital. Whenever you have a physical illness, you go to hospital. Cure that illness, come back. This is one dimension. Another dimension is when you are more or less healthy and you want to enhance your health, you want to make yourself more fit, more strong, more flexible, then to build your stamina and strength, you go to gymnasium and exercise. Of course, I'm including all this, any sort of exercises, whether it is this aerobics or it is yoga or it is this one, gym, all that. You go here for one purpose, you go to hospital for another purpose. That's the beauty of the subject here. It works as a physician come trainer, fitness trainer, depending upon your scenario. So if you come to Vedanta with illness, that illness can be emotional, that illness can be intellectual, that illness can be spiritual, whatever it is, then Vedanta works as a consoler. It pacifies, it applies balm, and there's nothing that soothes a man's pain like that of knowledge. It gives a tremendous soothing effect. You can use it like that. Suppose if you say, no, I don't have any problem, man, in my life, but I want to make my life better. I don't want to live life like what I have been living. Now, my tomorrow should not be just a replica of my yesterday. I don't want to live life like an imposition. No, I don't want to live like this. I wanted to have a breakthrough in my life. I wanted to experience a breakthrough, man. I just need an opportunity. You get an opportunity, you should know how to have the breakthrough. Now, I want to have breakthroughs in my life. I don't want to continue my life the way I am just living. When that fellow comes to Vedanta, Vedanta takes a different turn. Suddenly, Vedanta becomes a trainer, fitness trainer. And there is a difference between a fitness trainer and a physician. When you tell a physician it's painful, physician will immediately say, oh, no, you should not get that pain. If it pains, don't do. This is a physician. Trainer will say exact opposite. If it pains, doesn't matter. It will pain like that only. Keep doing. Exact opposite. So Vedanta's role is not dependent on Vedanta alone. Remember, it depends on how you are going to approach.